Snows.
Snows, Massachusetts.
Should I be smiling or should I look serious?
Just say hi.
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 Hey.
How was the food?
It was awesome.
Are you awkward?
Are you taking a video right now?
I am, actually. I have a video of you about the seagulls. Do you remember that?
Oh yeah, that was on YouTube.
Do Mormons worship seagulls?
Alright, I'll go.
Tell us about this outfit, Michael.
Dressed up like a douchebag.
You dress like a douchebag?
Yeah.
What's your definition of douchebag?
People that wear polo shirts and jeans.
Oh man.
And
yeah, you usually, I remember once you came into Staples, you were wearing this green and black ensemble.
Nice.
Yeah, it was great.
Green and black?
Yeah, it was green and black. You were wearing like this bright lime green t-shirt with like these black jeans, and you had like, the black and green Argyle socks, and you had your Converse on. I think you had you have Converse, right?
I have Converse on right now.
Converse, right? Yeah. Yeah, so it's raining now.
Let me talk about the Mormons for a little bit.
You want to talk about Mormons?
Let me talk about the Church of the Latter-day Saints.
What?
Would you like me to preach to you? I don't know.
Yeah, man, preach. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, they worship a giant seagull.
They worship a giant seagull.
Because they got rid of the snakes.
Wasn't it for like their harvest or something was dying and the seagulls like did
something? No, like a bunch of bugs ate their food or whatever, and the seagulls ate the bugs.
Yeah, man.
The seagulls.
Yeah. Seagulls are, I'd rather worship a seagull than, you know.
Not a seagull walking in front of
At least seagulls, you know, you could see them. Can't really see Jesus.
What if there were like a flock of seagulls, like the band?
Oh, yeah.
And then they formed like a Jesus face in the sky. What would you do?
I don't know.
Laugh.
I would run so far away. Like the song.
Nice.
Yes. Yes. Oh, I'm so proud of myself.
I can't think of another Space Age love song. That's a flock of
Space Age love song. Yes.
Indeed.
So, you see, Michael is growing an afro. Look at his hair.
It's soft like a cat.
I was just gonna say. Cat, say hi.
No. So do I.
Michael, where's all the Prince?
Prince is in there.
I know, but come on, play a Prince song I know. Look at that. Look at that sound system.
Oh yeah, Alpine.
Oh man. It's raining. Alright, say bye. Say bye. Bye bye.